Unlocking the mystery of thin on the ground. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, thin on the ground. This expression is a wonderful example of how English can paint vivid pictures with just a few words. So, if you're keen to expand your idiomatic prowess and sound more like a native speaker, you're in the right place. The phrase, thin on the ground, is used to describe a situation where something is rare or scarce. It's often employed when talking about the availability of people, objects, or even qualities. Imagine looking for something and finding that there's very little of it available. That's when this idiom comes into play. It originates from a more literal meaning, where if objects or individuals were spread out thinly over an area, they would be scarce or difficult to find. To help you grasp how to use thin on the ground, let's look at some examples. 1. In conversation, good software developers are thin on the ground in this city. This means that it's difficult to find good software developers because there aren't many available. 2. In news articles, after the economic downturn, job opportunities in the area became thin on the ground. Here, it indicates that job opportunities have become rare or scarce. 3. In literature, in the desolate landscape of his heart, hope was thin on the ground. In this more poetic use, it suggests that hope is scarce or hard to find within the person's emotions. While thin on the ground is a versatile idiom, it's primarily used in more informal contexts. Here are some tips to ensure you're using it correctly. Context is key. Use it when discussing the scarcity or rarity of something. It's suitable for both positive and negative contexts, depending on what is scarce. Avoid overuse. Like all idioms, it's best used sparingly to enhance your language rather than relying on it too heavily. Practice makes perfect. Try incorporating it into your conversations or writing, where it fits naturally. Understanding and using idioms like thin on the ground can greatly enrich your English language skills, making your speech more colorful and expressive. We hope this exploration has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and inspired you to integrate it into your own English usage. Happy learning, and remember, practice is the key to mastery. See you in the next video.